Today, I decided to replace my old Huntsman Mini keyboard with a new mechanical keyboard. First, I went to Micro Center to get all the parts. First, I got the GMMK Pro, the 75%, this coiled cable for the aesthetic, the Aura mechanical keycaps. Finally, I got the Mako ultralight switches, so it sounds good and it's not as loud as my old keyboard. One thing I like about this keyboard is that it's heavy, so it doesn't move around as easily. Here, I started placing the switches into the keyboard. At first, it was a little nerve-wracking because with computer hardware, you have to be careful, but I got the hang of it with a little bit of pressure. Here, I'm placing the keycaps. I chose the Aura keycaps specifically because the sides are clear, so more RGB can come through. And there's the final result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.